there, have a seat and get comfortable. Let's do some chatting. And if you missed it, you can click on the video where I did the moisturizer foundation stuff, and we watched Guy Tang's pastel hair video. I can't remember exactly what it was called, but I'll link it one of these corners. I think it's over there. So I'm gonna put on some bronzer and some blush and some highlighter. And sorry, this camera setup, this filming setup today is just not the best. The stand only goes so high. I don't know why, but it does. So I use a brush like this that's kind of angled for my bronzer. And then I take a lighter color and just kind of warm up my face a little bit so I get some dimension back in it, because right now it looks flat because I just put all that foundation on. So I go in where your cheekbone is and take it up to the temple. And then do the same thing on this side. And then I warm up the forehead just a little bit, and I do it right near the hairline and blend it into the hairline and below, because if you don't blend it into the hairline, then it looks like your scalp is detached from your head and it's weird. And so then I go from the back of my jaw towards my chin. And then I just blend it out towards the top of my head and towards my neck so that there's no harsh lines. And the same thing on this side. I really like my nose shape, so I don't usually do too much with that, but I just take the end of the brush, the corner of it, and tap just a little bit on there. And I don't do too much there. You can do a lot more with it, but I don't. So if you want to know better nose contouring, then another video might be better. And so then I take and I go in with a bit of a darker bronzer, and then just go into those cheekbones again. Take it up to the temple a little bit after I've rubbed most of it on the cheekbone, and then I go, you notice I go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then I blend it out so that you don't just have a harsh line going through your face. So back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, up towards the temple, and back and forth, blend it out. You can never blend too much. I always put blush on last so that it kind of blends and everything's not sitting on top of it, but it's really a preference thing. I love this purple highlighter, but most people probably wouldn't. And then I just take that right up on the cheekbone. I don't highlight anywhere else. I actually really hate so much, like with a passion, hate it when the tip of the nose is highlighted. Absolutely hate it. So I don't do that. I don't highlight anywhere else either, but you could highlight a little up here and a little on your chin. You can highlight the tip of your nose if you want to. I think it looks really stupid. But you know what? Makeup is an art, and it's all opinion. So it's whatever you like. Do what you like, not what I like, because it's your face. So you see that nice purple? It's a little weird, but oh, and I used a fluffier, rounder brush. This one is actually a highlight and contour brush. And if you want to know which makeup brushes I used or makeup I used, let me know. I have a line of products as well, so if you are interested in those, these are not at the moment because I'm in the process of getting rid of what I have and transitioning and all of this stuff, but yeah, just talk to me. I will gladly help you out, give you some customer service. So then I take a fluffy brush and go in with blush, and this palette's amazing. It's a Tarte blush palette. It's all blush, so both sides, and I usually just kind of rub it around in there, and then I do just like right here, but kind of diffuse it out a little bit, but keep it mostly central to here. And I got a little carried away with the blush this time. I go with a really light hand as well, usually. This time I didn't. I don't know what I was doing. Whenever I do this, this doesn't bother me, but some people it does, is I just kind of wipe the excess off or take the translucent powder and kind of go over that a little bit. If I do a little too much like I just did. Hopefully this helps you out. I am now going to start another video. It will be eyes. So come back for that video. All right, love you guys so much, and as always, dream big and take action.